Hi, Jen Taylor Consulting. So, why should you be in the group? Besides, you get to listen to me and learn a ton of information. These master classes are going to be great. So, as I said, the first one, if you went back and listened to why you need these, the first one is about boundaries and expectations. We dig in deep on why this holds people back in their business. You do not need to be BFFs with your clients. And setting these boundaries and expectations with them and for yourself will only help you grow your business. I give you my tried and true tricks that helped me create the boundaries and set the expectations for my clients and myself and what they can expect from me. It was a two-way street. So I want to have you come join me and learn how you can implement this in your business. Have a great day.